Now, Jolyn Kent is following the trends on social media ahead of the debate. She's in Milwaukee with what people are talking about on Facebook. What are they talking about on Facebook, Joe?
Well, I want to show you the top 5 candidates right now, Stuart. You can see right here, this is the country. This is what people are talking about. Government ethics and Hillary Clinton's email certainly taking up a large share of that conversation. No surprise here, Stuart. Donald Trump, the top candidate on Facebook right now. But interestingly, more women are talking about him than men, 55% women. And then if you look at the age group here, you see that it's dominated by millennials, especially in the 25 to 34 range. Where are people living who are talking about Trump? You see it skews California down to Texas, all the way up through the East Coast. And I wanted to give you some contrast, Stuart, because it's not like this for all the candidates. Ben Carson, a completely different story. His engagements are all throughout the Midwest and the South, all the way through the Deep South into Florida, Stuart.
I'd love to know what they're saying in California about Donald Trump. What are they saying as opposed to just saying something?